Today we have a Whirlpool Cabrio. The customer's complaint that it's not agitating correctly, and the machine does give you an error code. The machine was giving us an F2E1, and also the machine, it cleared the code, but it was giving us a code for F7E4, which is a basket re-engagement failure. So when I ran the test mode, I found the agitator was loose. This bolt here was loose. And it would just spin and make bad noise. So when you pull this, you find the shaft has been stripped. You can see here the basket is stripped out. And so the unit will need a new gear case and wash plate.